Hello guys, what's up? This is Dinkar Chaudhary back with another video, and in this video I'm going to show you how you can install Street Fighter 4 Champion Edition on your Android device. So if you're trying to download the Street Fighter 4 Champion Edition on your Android device and you go to Play Store, it might show you this error that your device isn't compatible with this version. So I will be showing you how to download this game and play it on your Android device. So guys, I only make genuine videos on this channel. So if you want more gaming videos and you have some suggestions, you can subscribe to my channel and comment below to get your game downloaded. So now let's start the procedure. First of all, you have to download this TapTap Chinese Play Store thing. So this is a Chinese app store. I will be giving the link of this TapTap in the description. Just click on it and download it. After that, just search for Street Fighter 4. The first game will be Street Fighter 4 CE, which is the Street Fighter 4 Champion Edition. Just click on download. The files are around 2.2 gigabytes, so make sure that you have this space available on your internal storage. Now let's see, and let's click on me and then click on downloads to view your download section so that you can see how much it has downloaded. So as you can see that download has been started. I will pause the video here so that I won't eat up much time for downloading. So let's pause the video and I will come back when the download has finished. So let's go. So guys, as you can see that now download is about to finish. After the download has finished, it will ask you to install the game. So as you can see that the download has finished, it is asking us to install the game. Just click on install. Now you can open the game. So if it asks for update, I will be providing the link of the updated APK in the description. So all the links will be provided in the description. Just make sure to check them out for more updates. So as you can see, now I'm opening the game. Let's start the game and do a little bit of gameplay to show you that the game actually works. So it is asking us to agree to the terms and condition. Let's do it. So this game is developed by Capcom, as we all know. So we have the loading screen now. So now it is doing the Google Play Games login. So let's wait for it and let's complete it fastly so that we can directly play the game. After that, it will ask for us to enter a username. So let's enter our username and let's do a gameplay. So guys, this is the menu of the game where we can solo play, battle, we can battle with other players, and we can do many other things. I will be only doing a solo play right now. That means I will be playing with the computer. So let's go and play. So you only have one player right now. To unlock other players, you have to pay $4.99. So I will be uploading a video soon to unlock all the players. So let's play with the player now and let's see how the game works. So this is the round 1. Enjoy the gameplay.